Hi everyone! If you have been trying to achieve that soapy brow look, or if you want to have your brows look thick and well shaped but you do not want that artificial looking brows and you want to make them look original and natural, then you must follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. I follow these steps to make my brows look like this. I know you're interested, so let's start the video. The first step is to remove the hair that are growing outside of your natural shape of your brow. So first I'm gonna imagine the shape of my brow and I'm gonna pluck out all the hair that are growing outside of that shape. I'm gonna use a tweezer to pluck out the thick hair. It can be painful for those who have very thick hair, so you must have to pull your skin while plucking out with the tweezer. After removing the thick hair, I can still see some peach fuzz around my eyebrows, so I'm gonna remove them with the help of a brow razor. Peach fuzz मतलब वो brow hair का जो velvety layer है that you cannot see on the camera, but this is visible otherwise. You have to remove them to have a very clean look of your brows, and having too many of peach fuzz around your eyebrows can make it difficult to apply brow products smoothly. The brow razor that I'm using here is from Feather and I purchased it from Nykaa. Using a razor is not that difficult, you just need to have some practice. After plucking the hair, we have a clean shape of our brows, but now is the time to make them look thick and bushy. I use a hair gel with the help of a spoolie and run the spoolie on my brows. You need to run the spoolie upside, and with every stroke, the individual hair will look very thick because of the gel. Because of the gel, the brow hair will be very flexible and you can shape them in the way you want. Now you can see that the brow hair looks spiky. You can keep that spike at the very front of the brow, although at the tail side you might want to tame them down and give them a shape. This way your brows are gonna look beautiful and poised and not too crazy. You can use the very front of the spoolie to shape the tail. This step, however, depends upon the thickness of your brow and the shape that you are going for. If you have very thick brows, then you should do this step, but if you have very thin brows, you can escape with the spiky hair. The fifth step will be removing the excess gel that are stuck to your skin. When you apply foundation, the gel will be visible and this won't look good. Besides, the gel is not good for the skin. It is made for the hair and not for the skin. So you must have to remove the excess gel that are sticking to the skin and also the excess gel from your brow hair. After following these 5 steps, you can already see that my brow hair look thick and it has a defined shape. You can just stop here if you're going for a natural makeup look, but if you wanna add color to your brows, the next step will be applying a brow cream or using a brow pencil. To enhance the color of your eyebrows, it is easy to use a brow cream because with a brow cream, with few brush strokes, I get the desired color. But whether it is a brow pencil or a brow cream, you have to be very light-handed while applying it on the brows. Too much of pressure can destroy the shape of your brows. ज़्यादा pressure के साथ apply करोगे तो shape बनाने में जितना मेहनत किया था सारा बर्बाद हो जाएगा. So here I'm giving very light pressure and going on with small strokes. And with the pencil or with a brush, you wanna go on the same direction your brow hair are laid. Even when you outline your brows, do not just make a straight line all at once. Go with hair-like tiny strokes and keep in mind the direction of the brow hair. Now, after drawing the shape of the brow, you have very less product in your brush. So with that, you can draw the very front of your eyebrows. Because we need a very less amount of product for the front of the eyebrow and we want to make it as natural as possible. But if you accidentally applied a little more product, you can fix it. I'll show you how to do it in the next step. But before that, I'll show you how to do the front of the eyebrows once again on my second brow. First, outline the brows with very small hair-like strokes. Move the pencil or the brush in the same direction brow hairs are falling. Apply minimum pressure and very less amount of product while drawing the front of the brow. In the next step, you want to apply a concealer on the sides of your eyebrows to make them look clean and make the shape sharp. And a flat brush like this one is going to be very helpful while doing this. So apply a very little amount of concealer along with the sides of your eyebrows. कम ही apply करना ताकि बाद में blend और diffuse करना easy हो जाए. With the help of the brush, drag the product downwards. It will be easy to diffuse the product that way. Now, if your front of the eyebrow looks a little bit muddy or having too much of color, you can remove that by applying concealer at the very front of your eyebrow. I mean, not only on the outside but also a little bit inside, just like the way I'm showing here. But while doing so, you have to make sure that your brush has very least amount of concealer left. Blend the concealer that is visible with your finger or with your Q-tip, but just blend everything seamlessly. Applying a concealer will also eliminate the redness that you might have from shaving and plucking your eyebrow hair. Now I'll do the same thing for the other eyebrow. And to set the concealer, I'll also apply a translucent powder. Now for you, all these steps might seem a lot of work, but believe me, once you are used to this will take a minute or so. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do not forget to hit that like button and also share with your friends. Next video will be for the beginners about how to do a classic eye makeup look. So stay connected and hit that subscribe button. Take care and smile often. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.